Hello and welcome back everyone. I know we mentioned it a few weeks back that we are going on another trip and we are finally on it. So my cousin is getting married and we are now because of that, we are now in New York and we are staying in Queens and we are on our way to Manhattan. This is all of our first times here, so we know what we're doing. I have a planner over here, my trip planner. We are on our way to the public transit so we could make our way to the city for lunch.
Alright guys, of course our first stop is food. We just got up, we rode the subway. It took about 1 hour to get from where we are now in Manhattan, from where we're staying in Queens. And we waited for the place to open because we got here like right when they opened, and I guess they were running on Filipino time because they open late. But we're here at, what is it called? I don't know. It's pronounced, I don't know. I'm pulling a Jonathan. Maharlika? Maharlika. It's Filipino.
Yeah.
He thinks it's pronounced like mahal kita.
What does that mean?
It means I love you. But we are here. There were 2 other groups waiting, so people have heard about it. I've had a friend send it to me on Instagram saying, hey, you should try this while out in New York, because people know I like to try different Filipino spots. So this was like definitely on my list, so we made it our first stop today. And also what I'm excited to try here, it's called the flip chicken and ube waffle. Like that's what I'm here for, guys. So let's see how good it is.
Hello. Hi. Alright, so food has just come. Our order took a little bit longer than usual just because I guess the chicken and waffles does take a little bit longer. But they gave us some arroz caldo, which is just a rice porridge, and the girls love that. It was so good. But the rest of the food is finally here and it looks amazing. So we ended up getting a short rib adobo here, something because we know Zayana and basically the girls love the adobo. We have some fried chicken and ube waffles, and bihon, what is it called?
Pancit.
Pancit, yeah. It's just noodles for the girls. The girls love their noodles as well. Zaya, what do we find?
Big lollipop.
A very big lollipop, huh? Humongous. Look at these guys. Look at all this. We are in FAO Schwartz, and this is actually, oh, Zaya, you better be careful with that. If you drop that, I'm running away. I'm gonna disown you. I don't know who you are. This is actually my first time in this store, and they have a lot of candy like this right here that I haven't seen for ages. And one that I had tried like maybe when I was in elementary school is this one right here, sour ooze. That is crazy. It brings back lots of memories.
So I just found something that I would have loved as a child because I am so excited to see this right now. So there's a Melissa and Doug section here at the store, at the FAO store. Can you see it? Hold on. Right there. Melissa and Doug. Okay? And there is a little FAO Mart where you can fill up your little cart with your groceries. You pretend shopping, y'all. I love pretend shopping. I love real shopping. As a child, I would have loved this. And Jonathan doesn't want Zayana to see it because he's like, you really want her to play with that right now? Because we're not going to get any of it. But that's so cool. So maybe we'll see. Look at that guy. See, you like go, it says FAO Mart. And then you fill up your cart here. They got like all the groceries. And there's a checkout. You could pay here at the checkout station. Zay doesn't even know what the best part of this place is, and she's just looking at it. That's not a, oh, this is a toy. There she goes. No, don't let them fill it up because we're not really gonna buy anything. Oh, there's Zay. She found it. I've been trying to tell her. Hi. Where are you going today, miss? One thing at a time, and then you gotta put it all back, okay? Because we're not gonna buy it.
Keep going. Whoa.
Wow, how much of the same thing do you need? Wow, she's filling up. She must be related to your dad. Well, she's filling up on one item. So this little chick, hi. She did all the shopping right here. See my cart? And now she said, okay, now mom, now you pay for it. Because now she's gonna be the cashier. So, I'm gonna pay for all my stuff, guys. Okay.
Why are you here?
Oh, I got all this stuff. Hi, how are you? Hold on, I'm gonna check out your sister. Oh my god. Who's gonna put all that back?
I said, Celia, are you done? She goes, are you done?
Celia, Celia, we gotta put all that back. We're not gonna get all that. No? Oh my goodness. Are you having fun? Yeah. We've reached the mother lode. This is what I've been waiting for all day. Guess where we're at?
The Disney store.
They're playing
All of our planning just for this.
Say I'm in love. They're playing some Hercules, guys. But anyway, I walk in and I just see all the mini Statue of Liberty stuff, and the lady's like, "Oh, there's more upstairs. There's
I'm
more."
scared.
I'm just like, "There's more upstairs." 'Cause that's what I came for. It's for
Give
some
me your
like
wallet. Give me
Disney
your wallet.
He pays for everything anyway. What's the point?
Yeah, so I can stop you.
So excited. Want to see what's upstairs? 'Cause I do. Oh my goodness, guys. Is that a Forky jacket? Look at all this. There's the castles, eh? Oh my gosh, there's a castle. She's excited as me. This is my child. This is my child. Oh my god, look at all the Forky clothes. Oh my, there's a snake in my boot. Come on, Azalea. Wait for us, eh? You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh wow, this is for mommy, look.
So here's the section that Zoran has been wanting. All this custom to New York Disney stuff. And I think Zoran, are you gonna get the hat or are you gonna get the shirt? I think she's leaning towards either the hat or the shirt, but I guess I can't say no because she really can't get this anywhere else. On our way to the top of the rock, 67 floors up in 43 seconds to the top. Oh man, you can kind of see the going up. Do you like it, Zaya?
At least you don't see
I know.
the space needle you see outside.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of scary.
And we're here 43 seconds later. Alright. Where's Zaya? Where?
Open the door, Zaya. Open the door.
What happened? What happened? Alright. That's so cool, yeah.
Look at her. Do you have 50 cents?
Did you see her clap?
So now we're at Top of the Rock. It's a new day. It's the next day now. Yesterday we ended up ending the day with dinner. We were just like hanging out with our cousins. So we didn't finish the vlog yesterday. So we decided to continue today. Later on today we'll be going to a wedding. So right now all we're doing, or we're going to a banquet for the wedding, like the reception. So right now we're just trying to get a little sightseeing in. And we're currently, I don't know if y'all can tell, we're like super high up. I don't remember how many floors. I think it was like 67. Oh, how many floors up was it, babe?
67 floors, 43 seconds.
Yeah, 43 seconds to the top.
To the
Jonathan
top.
will show you. But we're currently here at top of the rock, at the top of the Rockefeller Center. You know where NBC is. Oh, and Zayana, I'll show y'all what she's doing. Hold on. So little Miss Zayana here. You want to say hi to the vlog? Too busy. Do you see anything? She sees people. She watches Puppy Dog Pals, and in one episode of Puppy Dog Pals, these two little puppies, Bingo and Rolly, go to New York with a pigeon. They have a pigeon tour guide, and the pigeon shows them all these sites, including the Empire State Building. So she's looking for the Empire State Building. Did you find it? She hasn't
see a
found
lot
it.
Up from here. You can
And she knows that the puppies had one of these, I guess. I don't know, but that's how she knew, like, I want to do that, Mom. And yesterday it was raining, so we didn't get to do it. Oh my God, look at this. So scary.
Daredevil Uncle.
Oh my God, Daredevil Uncle putting the baby on the top floor like that. But anyway, so
Mommy, I saw it.
oh, what'd you see? Do you like it?
I saw that.
Oh my God.
That's the building.
The Statue of Liberty is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be.
Well, we're really far. What'd you say, babe?
I said the Statue of Liberty is actually a lot smaller. Oh my God, what do you see?
Oh my God, someone is so excited. Do you want to show everyone your excited dance? Oh, there it is. Excited wiggle, excited wiggle, excited wiggle, what, excited wiggle, what? Oh my God, she was too juiced before coming up here. I knew she would love this. She loves views. Right, Zay? You like looking at from the top of buildings? Wow. Hi. Uh-oh. So we're trying to have lunch, but Zalia, who's being bad? We're at this place called, what's it called? Xiang Famous Foods.
Yeah.
It's like a Chinese noodle place. I heard and I read that it was on one of Anthony Bourdain's shows, so it was recommended a lot of the places to eat in New York, and it's really affordable. Like for the three dishes we got with two waters, it was about 30 bucks. So compared to the things we've been eating yesterday, this is pretty cheap. Today, and I don't know if I told you, I got a latte earlier and it was $7. So, you know, things ain't cheap around here, but we're enjoying it, yeah? Zay likes it.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it? What'd you get? Noodles?
Nope.
Huh? Nope.
This way.
Oh, this, I'm sorry. Right here, her little plate. So we're probably gonna,
we're gonna show you something.
oh, okay.
We're gonna see you guys. We are show you something. Say hi. Say hi, Ellie.
Hi.
Hi. We are next one. Yeah. Say hi. Uncle.
Hello.
What? Right now.
Anyway, so this is going to be our last stop today before resting and getting ready for the wedding. So I just wanted to end the vlog here. We're probably going to do New York in 2 vlogs.
Yep.
Yeah, Dad?
Yep.
Stay tuned for more. We're here for 2 more days. We got some stuff planned for the girls mostly, and yeah, that's about it. More food, you know, per usual of our travel videos. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. What do you say, Zay?
Bye.
At least she's easy. It's been a struggle, guys. This ain't no Disneyland.